Welcome to Professional Certifications channel. Safe movement after illness, surgery, or weakness is essential to avoid falls and injuries. Today, you'll learn how to walk with support and use a wheelchair safely, step by step.
1. Before you start walking. Before walking, make sure the patient is ready. Check for safety, no dizziness or faintness, BP and sugar stable, if applicable. Shoes or non-slip socks on, IV lines and tubes secured. Call bell within reach. Never rush. Move slowly and steadily.
2. How to stand up safely. 1. Sit up slowly in bed. 2. Place both feet flat on the floor. 3. Pause 30 seconds to check dizziness. 4. Push up using bed or handrail. 5. Stand fully before stepping. Slow transitions prevent falls caused by low blood pressure.
3. Walking with support. Use a walker, cane, or a caregiver for support. Guidelines. Walk close to the bed or wall initially. Keep the support device close to the body. Take slow, short steps. Rest if breathing becomes heavy. Avoid slippery or uneven surfaces. Safety first, not speed.
4. When and how to use a wheelchair. A wheelchair is recommended when patient cannot walk far, gets tired quickly, has poor balance, unsafe to walk independently. Important steps. Lock brakes before sitting or standing. Remove footrests before patient sits. Help patient lower slowly into chair. Reattach footrests after seated. Unlock brakes only when moving.
5. Safe wheelchair movement. Caregivers should push slowly and stay close. Avoid sudden movements. Keep hands on handles. Use ramps carefully. Turn corners gradually. Patient should keep feet on footrests. Keep hands inside the chair. Sit upright for breathing and comfort.
6. Transfers. Bed to wheelchair and vice versa. Step by step. 1. Lock wheelchair brakes. 2. Remove armrest if needed. 3. Stand patient slowly. 4. Turn gently and sit back into chair. 5. Ensure patient positioned centrally. Never pull the patient. Support and guide gently.
Safe mobility builds strength, confidence, and independence. Move slowly. Use support. And prioritize safety over speed. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.